welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we are going to be showing all the secrets of Brookhaven RP. So let's go, Ashley. Why are you here? What do you mean? Come on. Come on. Okay, so the first secret is how to change your hair. As you are wearing same hair? No, we're not wearing same hair. So how to change your hair? You can change it with any color you want. So for this you want to go to hair and nails. Go inside it. Sit on any of the chair. When you sit on the chair with the big color palette, that means first sit on the chair. Am I not sitting? Okay. So here is the color palette. Wait, second guys. Where are the colors? As you can see the colors over here, I'm just scrolling it. I want the pink color over here. So after you're done of picking the color, touch the color. Touch the color. Okay, touch the color. Yes, and my hair are pink. My hair are pink, Ashley. My hair are pink. Oh, your hair are good color. Wow, nice. I'm gonna make any other color. What the hell is happening? Okay, so wait. I'm gonna make. Well, alright. This is alright. This is alright. So, as what is the secret? Another secret. What the hell? Okay. Okay, you did your hair black? What the heck? I don't know what. So now, the another secret is inside the hospital. No, another secret is inside the hospital. Let's go to the hospital. I'm going to the hospital. I'm going inside the cycle. So go to the hospital. First you're in the hospital. You can see this hole, big hole. So jump on it. Or there is one more way to go inside it. And the way is you need to go right here where the emergency is, and now jump on the yellow thing and now jump on it like this, and now you are inside it. This is the easy way to go, and the way we were going was here, this one. And this is the secret hospital inside the hospital. Secret lab inside the hospital. It's so dirty. What my? What is this? A dead body. God, where are you, Ashley? Where houses are you there? Where the houses are? What is this? Wait, let me explore this place. Oh, it's empty. So guys, this is the second. And now I'm going to the third one. Where are you, Ashley? The hill. Up the hill. So this secret is up the hill, the long hill inside the Brookhaven. No, I'm going to that hill. No. So if you want to go there, oh, Ashley is right here. No, it's not Ashley. Oh no, it's someone else. Can you see? Go to houses. Go to this lake right here, Lake Mandination. No, not now. We will go to houses. Come to the Lake Mandination, Ashley. Once you are in the Lake Madison. Wait. Lake Madison, yes. Once you are in the Lake Madison, you can see the large hill over here. So go in this hill by a use of any vehicle. My vehicle is invisible. Ashley, come here. So follow the fence. Fence. I don't know what it's called. So here, if we follow this, here it is. This is a secret. So here you can fly from here. And you can see the beautiful view of the whole book heaven or sea. Yeah, so it's so cool. I really like it. What is your secret, girl? I'm I'm going to the house in the Brookhaven or see that house is a little house. Yeah, I'm going to the greenhouse that I think some of the people know that one. And I don't know where is the house is. I'm finding it. I'm finding the house. But I don't know where the house is. Any house? What do you mean? Okay, I'm going to buy a home. क्या मतलब क्या पता I'm alright. Now Ash is saying me to go to church. I don't know who's Alex. You're laying down the funeral of the church. Oh my God. I'm so sad about you. Now get out, Ashley. Okay, so this secret is the funeral one. I need to go inside the funeral. Yes. Where is the funeral? So touch the funeral. Here's the funeral. Get out. Okay, you're done. Not here. Okay, so Ashley is not there. Ashley is gone. What the heck? What is this? Okay, so once we are inside the funeral, zoom in and you can see a man over here. Who is he? Who is he? Ashley, who is he?
I don't know. I just seen the secret.
Who the hell is this guy?
I was playing with my sister. Not sister. My friend, my best friend. She was in here. We were playing hide and seek, and I was hiding in this, and I see this.
Wow.
And
so
I am.
cool.
I
don't know who is
I
this guy. Please tell me in the comments who is this guy.
If you know this, so please comment down.
Yeah.
Lion, you don't play the game, so you don't know. Please don't comment.
Okay, so
Laugh out loud.
now let's go and buy a home and you have another secret. But before this secret, I want to tell you one more secret.
What is it?
It's how to see whole Brookhaven from the CCTV cameras. What is this girl doing? Okay, so let's go and see the whole Brookhaven from the CCTV cameras. I'm going to the horse. Where's the horse? Horse. Horsey. Horsey, where are you? I'm finding you. I don't know. Horsey. 3:32. Horsey, where are you? Oh my God, I need to go.
Oh,
She's Horsey. Yeah, let's ride on. Okay, Horsey's right here. Horsey, let me come on you. Oh. What the heck is this horse? My God. Let me go. Bye, horse. I don't like you. I don't like you. Oh. I'm on the horse. Invisible horse. Okay, here's the horse. That guy, mother horse, and the horse keeper. I'm going from horse. I can go Where's my jump button? Where's my jump button? Where's my jump button? Oh my god, what the hell? What's happening? Your body. I don't know, Ray. Stop it. Oh my god. What's it? Let me go out. This horse too bad. Let me go out. Phew. Go away, horse. I don't like you. Oh. Ow. Get out. So that's in here. If you come right here, sit in this chair. If you come right here, sit in this chair. And now you can see the whole Brookhaven from here. Here, the bench is the whole Brookhaven pool and the daycare, the grocery shop. It shows every single thing of Brookhaven without your home, just not your home. It shows everything. Okay, if you want to get off of this chair, just press the jump button or press the space bar, so you can jump. So another secret is also in here, and it's right here inside the Prison room. And if you come on the bed, jump over here. Can I do it? I don't know what I'm doing, but go in this vent in here, and then you can escape the prison.
No, I have a secret in this van too.
Oh, really? You have a secret in this van? Let me be a baby. What the hell?
Baby.
No, if I be a baby,
Baby robbery.
baby. Oh yes, we did it. We did it.
Now
we
I
did
know
it
another
finally.
secret.
Yes, tell me.
Oh no, what are you doing? Give me the.
Wait. Okay. Wait.
No, it's really dark in here. I need a torch in here. I need a torch.
No, you don't need a torch. Why do you need a torch?
It's really dark.
So you guys.
I found it.
See? What? Oh my god, what is this?
Can you see it?
Yes,
Go. It's nothing.
Yes, a paro.
It's nothing.
It's a place.
Yes, a pare.
How was this secret? Do you like it? You can't go more. You can just be in here.
Oh my god, what the heck?
Do you like my secret?
Okay, yes, I like it. So now let's go. Now let's go to another secret. It's when you come here, and you come over here. Let me use a vehicle. Now you need to go over here. Inside the
Brooks Diner.
yeah, inside the Brooks Diner. Okay. Inside the Brooks Diner, go inside the Brooks Diner, and for this thing you need to be a baby.
We are a baby right now. Oh my god. What are you doing?
So, what was that secret? Do you remember?
Yes, I remember. You need a ladder for this.
I need a ladder.
Yes.
Okay. Where's my ladder?
You forgot everything, every secret.
Wait a second. I want to tell you how to go glitch inside the house if it's locked.
Oh my god, you were going inside. Just jump.
Wait, let me.
Oh my god, how this
I don't know how this came. What was that? What was that? What was that? Well, I don't know what.
नहीं होगा अभी तो
Where's the ladder?
in the white whites right here
Where's the ladder?
somewhere here
Somewhere here. So you need to jump on this thing.
oh my god
There's nothing in here. Whatever, there's nothing in here.
I know a secret in hospital.
I was just kidding. There's nothing in here. Just you need to just jump and see that.
I go to the hospital and I was really good secret. Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Wait a second. I just restarted the game. And what the heck is this? What is this? What is this, Ashley? Ashley, what is this? Oh, it's all. What was that? Well, so the secret is in here. Here. Okay, let's go. I will show you a secret. Go to do not go. Do not enter. Enter to do not enter. Yes. Enter to do not enter. You need to enter to do not enter. Now click this. Click this. Click this light. When you click this, the floor will automatically open like this. And now go in here. And there are lots of things inside here. Yes.
There is some blur too.
Ew. Okay. Why laughing?
Because I need this thing.
You didn't make this thing. Stop lying.
I
Okay, now go in
Oh.
this. In here.
Oh,
And this is how to rob the bank. The bomb. And now go to the vent. Come here. And then rob. Place the bank.
police will come. Run fast.
A child robbed a bank. Oh no, a little child robbed a bank.
Wow, so funny.
Yeah, it's so funny. A little child just robbed a bank.
Now my secret.
Yes, now your secret. What's your
Let's
secret?
go to the hospital in the X-ray room.
X-ray room.
Yes, X-ray room.
X-ray
There are
room.
two secrets.
X-ray room.
Yes,
X-ray room.
there are two secrets.
X-ray room.
Oh my God. guys love water park. Okay, where is the hospital? Oh my god, how are you saying? Hi, mommy. Where's the hospital? Right beside. Where in the earth is the hospital?
Oh, where
I
are
think
you
it's here.
going? No, not here.
It's here? Yes.
तुलसी टेंची लो एक बात बोल
So you need to go to the hospital and the X-ray room.
Surgery?
not surgery X-ray you don't know how to read not in here
So in here?
yes
Oh my god, what is this?
we are going right side and yeah read and down the table see down the table
There's nothing.
you can't find no jump jump and go up jump
Let me read what is written over here, then I'll do it. It's really hard to read. Oh my god, what is this?
आपको पता है इसका नाम क्या होता है
What is written over here? What is written over here? Report every said this time will be different, never history. It repeat itself. I cannot pinpoint the power source, however, it looks to be beyond this world. Maybe history will show the way. What? And okay, let's. What were you saying? I jump. What is this? What is here? It says the arrow. What is this? What is this? Ah. What is this? Oh my god, I'm so scared. Let me go.
Is this water? Is this water? Oh my god.
What is this?
Power offline. 12 p.m. What the hell is this? Wow. I love it so much. I've never seen this before.
Now how can I go? Go to houses. Go to houses. Error.
Why is error coming? Wait. I
Wait, I
know.
think we should stop the video.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much for watching. Let me go out
Out of here.
You can't.
Let me go to this house. This house. So I think we should end the video here. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'm a Blackpink fan. Blackpink in your area. So bye guys.
Bye.